Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today we're gonna unbox the new JBL Tune 220. It is purely a bass headphones. So you have it in a few colors. You have a black and blue. The one I bought is black. There is also a blue model of this. It is around £130. I'll leave the link below if you guys are interested in. We're gonna go through all the features and we're gonna see how this sounds. It's have the same eye drops look, which is like the AirPod. 19 hours of battery, 3 hours on the headphone, and you have a 16 hours on the case. So it is water resistant for sports, perfectly fine, but you cannot swim with them. Right ears you have pause and play and phone calls, and the left ears you have previous songs and the next songs, and you have a voice assistant compatible, and it does support Bluetooth 5.0. So let's unbox this. First of all, it is much more smaller than the Tune 120, and you have micro USB cable. It is not a USB-C. A little bit disappointed. And you have the warranties, quick starter guide. So it's showing you what is coming with the headphones and how to turn them on. It is a very useful guide. It is a bit more thicker on the side. As you see, it is slightly thicker in these sides. You have the power button, it's a clickable power button, and you have the microphones on here. It is a teardrop design, so therefore the microphones are all going to be in the end. And it does have the typical Apple headphones hard shell. Don't want silk ear tips. This is going to be your ideal headset. And you have the microphone and the vents in this side as well. So you have both have a button in these sides. The case wise, it is much more smaller. If you look at this, so the case for the Tune 120, that's going to be slightly a bigger case comparing with this. So if you compare this, it's half of the size, so it's a bit more lighter. It doesn't feel like a plastic. It feels more premium than the T20. You have charging input, so you have the right and you have the left. So there is no lights on the outside to indicate how much is charged. When you open that, there is a lights in here that is actually displaying how much is charged. So we're gonna try the audio. Is it worth for the purchase? So it is indicating it is connected. So you have two blue lights on the vents. So first of all, we're gonna try the ear fit, try to see how much tighter on the ears. Is have the same length of the older AirPods. It's actually very secure in your ears. I can move my head, it's still in my ears. It's not gonna fall off. Therefore, if you are using for sports, it will be fine. So now we're gonna try songs to see how loud it will get. So at the moment it is on 50%. You can hear everything around you. There is no noise isolation. When you put the volumes up to 50%, it's reduced the outside noise. So therefore you do getting a passive noise isolation. Then when you put the volumes up, it's pretty much cancel everything out. Volume is up, the song quality remains the same, and the bass is still clear with the volumes up. And when you put the volumes down, let's put the left is still playing. It's back on. The right seem to have the built-in drivers. Now if the right is in charge, you can't use the left, but you can use no distortion. So now we're gonna compare the two headphones. So this is the newest one. I have used both of them. This is my experience with this headphones. The 220, you do get a slightly longer battery. So a total of you have 16 hours of battery. Tune 220, you have 19 hours of battery, 3 hours on the headphones. You have 16 hours on the charging case. On the other hand, 120, you have 4 hours on the headphones, 12 hours on the case. The Tune 120, it does offers fast charging, 15 minutes of charge, you have 1 hour is used. The bass wise, both of them have very identical bass. Audio goes up, volumes down, the audio remain the same. There is no much difference on the audio. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video. See you guys on the next video.